Yo, what is up everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Microsoft Store not downloading any app on Windows 10 or 11 or whatever Windows you are on. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so before we start with this video, as you guys can see, only 0.5% of you guys is subscribed to my channel. Let's just go ahead and scroll down and make that red subscribe button gray, because that will really mean a lot to me. Okay, so the first thing that you might want to check when your Microsoft Store doesn't work properly is going over onto services and run it as administrator. Then you want to scroll down and look for Microsoft Store service. Okay, so over here you can see Microsoft Store install service. So what you want to do is you want to right click this and go over onto properties and make sure that this is set to automatic. Press apply and click OK. Then after you've done that, you might want to restart the service. You can do that by just clicking on stop, and then when it's done stopping it, just click start once again. And then you're done with this fix. Let's just go ahead and check if our Microsoft Store works right now. If it doesn't, there's still a ton of fixes, so just keep watching the video. Let's go into the next fix. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to go over onto your date and time settings. You can do that by clicking on the start button, click on settings, then go over on to time and language, and click on date and time. And you want to make sure that this says set time automatically, and make sure that this is turned on. If it's not turned on, turn it on and click on sync now. And now just check if your Microsoft Store works properly. If it doesn't, don't worry, let's just go into the next fix. Okay, so for this fix you want to go over onto the search bar and look for WS Reset, and you want to run this as administrator. Okay, now you want to just wait until this is finished. This can take a while, just leave it there, wait until it's finished, and once it's done, go ahead and check your Microsoft Store if it works properly, and if not, just go ahead and head into the next method. As you can see, mine has been reset successfully and it will automatically open your Microsoft Store. Now just go ahead and check if this works properly. If it does not, head over into the next fix. Okay, so something else that might cause your Microsoft Store to not work properly is your antivirus. Some antiviruses block the Microsoft Store service, so it's actually unable to connect to the servers. So what you want to do is you want to go over into your antivirus. In my case, I can open it up by going into these icons and click on it. As you can see, mine is already disabled for this video. So what you want to do once you see that this is enabled is just head over onto details and make sure that it is disabled. In my case, it's over here in general, and then just enable self-defense. Make sure this is disabled, save, and now it says protection is disabled. Okay, so now you just want to go ahead and check if your Microsoft Store works, and if it still doesn't work after disabling your antivirus, I recommend just re-enabling it, because an antivirus is pretty important for your PC. So just go ahead and re-enable it and go into the next fix. Okay, so for this fix we are going to update our Windows onto the latest version. You can do that by going onto your start menu, click on settings, and then go over on to update and security, click on Windows updates and click on check for updates. As you can see, I've already done this and I have some updates to install, and I see you guys when my updates are done installing. Okay, so I've just installed these updates. Now let's just go ahead and check if our Microsoft Store works properly. Okay, so if none of these methods worked for my video, just go ahead and try to reinstall your Windows. I know this sounds dumb, but this will actually fix your issue like 90% of the times. And if it still doesn't work after that, yeah, I don't know what else could cause it to not work. But I know it sounds dumb to reinstall your Windows since you will lose almost every single file, but yeah, what else can you do? So yeah, that was basically it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and pressing that like button. If it didn't work and you have some problems, let me know in the comments. I'll try to help you out, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.